Hello and welcome back to The Little Mermaid. This hair really is giving me severe Ariel vibes. I'm very much a short-haired kind of girl, but I do like my long-haired moments. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a brand new hair video, just like I always do. And it's gonna be a fun one. As always, I have a brand new wig to showcase for you. Yes, at this point, my collection is, let's just say, there are a few things that I have as many of as I do wigs. I have a brand new wig from Perfect Lace Wigs. Obviously, it is real human hair. It is a beautiful, like burgundy, almost like a mahogany kind of a really gorgeous red wig. The hair length is 22 inches, and believe me, I know. I mean, it's long. It's really long. The color is 99J. So if you're going to look here on the website, chances are they're going to have this exact wig in like a bunch of different colors, but you have to go for 99J to go for this exact burgundy color. Also, the density is 150%. Depending on how thick you like your wigs, you can decide to go for 100, 120, 150. Some of them go up to 200% density. I personally really like 150% because it's typically a manageable amount of hair, but it's not like bulky and it's not like overly thick. However, depending on what you're planning on doing with your wig, you could change that. Today I felt like cutting. I'm going to be cutting bangs into it. So I really love my bangs. I have a bunch of videos on how to style bangs, if you do have them, on how to do hairstyles to match them. Typically they're always the like straight across bangs, and today I wanted to give something like different a go on my channel, and that is curtain bangs or a curtain fringe. Practically self-explanatory. A curtain fringe is basically have your fringe split down the middle, and it would kind of curtain around your eyes and your eyebrows, and it's personally never tried it out, so this is going to be kind of a tutorial but also an experiment. I'm going to link this exactly down the description box below. Obviously this thing looks phenomenal without a fringe and everything, so you could just rock it as is, but I want to spice mine up. So if you're interested on how to do it, then let's do it. I'm going to be cutting a curtain fringe over myself by following a hair cutting video on Instagram. And I'm going to record myself, and hopefully you can follow. No, but I am going to be following an Instagram video because, as I said, I've never done this, and ironically they're not really taught in hairdressing schools, at least the ones that I've been to. As always, we're going to start by sectioning our hair. This wig is lovely. It's got a lovely lace front over here, which means that you could part it practically anywhere and it's going to look like a human head. Okay, so I got a middle parting sort of done. Curtain bangs, the thing about curtain bangs is that they are so big and so voluminous, so this section that I normally tell you to take, you'd need to take it from a lot further so that you'd get a lot more hair into the bang. This is the section that I'm going to be working with. I know the wig is kind of not letting you see anything, but I have kind of a decent sized chunk of hair. First thing we're going to do is get rid of excess length. Now we're going to section down the middle once again. So this is our section. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut using a very small bit here. This is going to be the shortest bit of our fringe, and then it's going to go longer from here. I'm going to aim it somewhere around my nose. Now we're going to locate this shortest bit, and we're going to cut diagonally. Guys, I'm doing it. There's no turning back now. Ugh, it's all falling on me. Hey, that looks kind of like the picture. Separate a small chunk of hair. Ideally use the other side as reference, but I already pinned it away, so screw it. So this is the shortest bit. I look so 80s. Oh my god. Anyways, now it's time to actually style it because oh my god, do I look 80s. Okay, so now I'm going to be blow drying it somehow. I have with me two different sized brushes. This is a really small one to get in the root, and this one is hopefully to give me the volume. This is actually by Pro Blow, which is meant to be unclipped and then left in the hair for like a curler moment. but I'm going to be using it just as a brush today. All I'm doing is basically with my brush, I'm kind of just pressing it down, and with the hairdryer itself, I'm kind of just pushing the hair back and onto the brush to create this like curtainy moment. Now I'm gonna give myself some curlies because I feel like that's what my hair needs. Boom! Did I transform this wig? I'm living for this look. It took me a little while. Oh my god. Okay, I'm really ecstatic and stoked by how the bangs look. I'm living. It gives the wig so much more character, and it just completely transformed my face. I definitely encourage you guys to give it a go. Keep in mind that unless you style it, actually no fringe is ever going to look good. Just keep that in mind. Curtain bangs are amazing for anyone who feels like they have a larger forehead. They are absolutely amazing on covering up. If you feel like you have a slightly receding hairline like I do, it's very good to cover it up because it covers that main bit. Curtain bangs are not amazing for people with very short, small foreheads. They're not really ideal for people with small eyes because they're going to cover it up. So just keep that in mind if you are going to do it. But they are a very good thing to have if you want a fringe but you don't want like a fully committing. I added a sea salt spray. This is the Mad About Wave Schwarzkopf sea salt spray. Very good for curly hair, but I just did it to add like a more texturized look to my curls because I didn't really want princess curls. The link of this wig is going to be down in the description box below. You could leave it as is, or you could just go for a full bang moment. I'm really absolutely living for this look, so I'm going to link it down in the description box below. As I said, it was by Perfect Lace Wigs. I sincerely hope you understood this video. I hope you'll give it a go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video.